Hello dear students. In today's lecture, we are going to see the topic transduction under the subject called MB342 Genetics and Molecular Biology 2. Okay, so transduction, transformation and conjugation. These are the three processes and the aim of these three processes is same, to transfer the genetic material from one bacteria to the another. Okay, so here bacteria gene transfer takes place by the different processes like transformation, transduction and conjugation. So our today's point is transduction, how the gene gets transferred from the bacterial cell to the other through the process called as transduction. Okay, so what is transduction? Transduction is simply defined as transfer of genetic material from one bacteria to another through bacteriophage or using bacteriophage is called as transduction. As I told, the aim of transformation, transduction and conjugation is same, to transfer the genetic material from one cell to another cell. But just the transportation means are different. On the basis of that transportation mean, there are the names like transformation, transduction and conjugation. तो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ट्रांसडक्शन में जेनेटिक मटेरियल ये बैक्टीरियोफाज कैरी करते हैं, वायरसेस कैरी करते हैं. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द ट्रांसडक्शन, ट्रांसफर ऑफ जेनेटिक मटेरियल डीएनए और क्रोमोसोम from one bacteria to another with the help of the bacteriophage, with the help of the virus. Transduction is the process by which foreign DNA is introduced into a cell by a virus or viral vector. As I told that it is a process of transferring the genetic material with the help of the viral vector. Okay, here bacteriophage act as a vehicle, act as a vector, okay, which helps in the transportation. The scientist who developed this technique was Ledberg and Zinder. Okay, so this transduction was discovered in the year 1952 by Joshua Ledberg and Norton Zinder. So this two are the scientists, Ledberg and Zinder, who developed this transduction technique. Okay, so now as I told here, phage act as a carrier. Okay, they carry the DNA or they transfer the genetic material. Now what are the bacteriophage? Bacteriophage, first of all, these are the natural vectors that transport the genetic material from one cell to the another cell. That is the role of bacteriophage. How you will define the bacteriophage? These are the viruses. Okay, bacteriophage are the viruses that infect the bacteria. Bacteriophage are viruses that attack the bacteria. Okay, that is the simply definition of bacteriophage. और इसकी एक और quality है, that is they are unable to replicate itself. They require host cell. उन्हें होस्ट सेल रिक्वायर होती है खुद का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के लिए, खुद का जेनेटिक मटेरियल रेप्लिकेट करने के लिए. ओके, सो वो होस्ट पे डिपेंड होते हैं. योर होस्ट इज योर बैक्टीरियल सेल. ओके, योर होस्ट इज योर बैक्टीरियल सेल. सो दैट इज द वन point which you have to keep in mind, that bacteriophage are depend on the host machinery to replicate its own genetic material. Clear? Now this is the structure of bacteriophage, which consists of this head, or we can say capsid, then neck and collar part is there, core, sheet, base plate, and these are the fibers. Okay, so inside the head the protein coat. Okay, this is made up of the protein coat, and inside this head the genetic material DNA is packed. Okay, head के अंदर genetic material is been packed. So that is the structure of bacteriophage. there are two types of bacteriophage. One is virulent and second is temperate phage. Okay, so what is a virulent phage? Virulent phage, these are capable of causing infection and eventually destroy or do the death of the bacterial cell. Okay, what this virulent do? Virulence means ability to cause disease. That is known as the virulent. Ability to cause the infection. That is the simple definition of virulence. तो वही यहाँ पर अप्लाई होता है. virulent मतलब क्या? virulent, it is the virulent phage, they follow lytic cycle. Okay, they actually follow the lytic cycle. Means what? They infect the bacterial cell, they infect the host, and जब उसका मतलब हो जाता है वो bacterial cell को kill करता है. Okay, so that is known as the virulent. It infects and causes death of that bacterial cell. Okay, अपना यूज होने के बाद उसको वो किल कर देता है. That is the virulent. Example of virulent phage is T4 host E. coli. T4 phage is the example of virulent phage. Second is temperate. Temperate क्या करता है? It does not destroy or it does not kill or it does not disrupt the bacterial cell after infection. Instead, the lambda DNA is incorporated into the bacterial DNA. जो phage का DNA होता है वो insert होता है bacterial DNA के साथ और replicate होता है. ठीक है, it replicates with the bacterial DNA. Okay, so with the bacterial DNA, phage DNA also replicate. So that is the temperate phage. It does not cause disruption. Instead, phage DNA is introduced into the bacterial DNA. Okay, phage DNA ये introduce किया जाता है into the bacterial DNA and then it is replicated with it and after some cycle it becomes to the virulent stage. मतलब virulent phage ये follow करता है lytic cycle. Lytic cycle means आपका phage बैक्टीरियल सेल को इन्फेक्ट करेगा और बाद में किल कर देगा. दैट इज योर लाइटिक साइकिल. ओके, तो विरुलेंट phage ये लाइटिक साइकिल फॉलो करते हैं. टेम्परेट में क्या होता है? टेम्परेट में ये बैक्टीरियल सेल को डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं करते. ओके, इनिशियली इट डज नॉट डिस्ट्रॉय द बैक्टीरियल सेल. इंस्टेड दे इंटीग्रेट विद द बैक्टीरियल क्रोमोसोम. ओके, phage क्रोमोसोम इंटीग्रेट एंड रेप्लिकेट विद द bacterial chromosome and start to multiply. Okay, and that is known as the lysogenic cycle. Lysis नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पर. Okay, that is known as the lysogenic cycle and after some time they convert into this virulent phage. Okay, after some time this temperate phage is converted into the virulent phage. दैट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन विरुलेंट एंड टेम्परेट. यहाँ पर ये सेल को डिस्ट्रॉय करता है, यहाँ पर ये सेल को डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं करता है. ओके, यहाँ पर ये अपना जो जेनेटिक मटेरियल है वो इंटीग्रेट करता है बैक्टीरियल जेनेटिक मटेरियल के साथ एंड देन इट स्टार्ट्स टू रेप्लिकेट. Okay, so that is the difference between virulent and temperate. And second, you can say that virulent follows the lytic cycle. So this is your lytic cycle. A brief explanation about the lytic cycle. It starts from the year. Okay, when you will understand this lytic and lysogenic cycle, the further understanding will be more clear to you. Further points what we are going to see in this lecture or in upcoming lectures, that will be more clear to you. Okay, so this lytic cycle, it begins with this step. Phage DNA is there. Okay, this is the phage DNA. It infects the bacterial cell. It attaches to the bacterial cell and introduce its genetic material inside the cell. Okay, जो ये blue color का है, that is the genetic material of the phage, and this is the genetic material of bacteria. Okay, so its genetic material is introduced into the cell. After introduction, what happened? So there is entry of this genetic material. Okay, so after introduction it starts to multiply. क्या होगा? It starts to multiply, it starts to replicate. How it replicates? How phage gene is been replicated? एज आई टोल्ड इट डिपेंड्स ऑन दी होस्ट मशीनरी. तो होस्ट के सारे मशीनरी यूज करके, सारे एंजाइम्स यूज करके ये अपना जेनेटिक मटेरियल रेप्लिकेट करता है. साइमल्टेनियसली बैक्टीरियल जेनेटिक मटेरियल भी रेप्लिकेट होता है. ओके, एंड वंस द रेप्लिकेशन प्रोसेस इज कंप्लीटेड, सेल लाइज. ओके, सेल ये रप्चर होती है और ये जो फाज की पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज हुई है, दैट फाज इज रेडी टू इन्फेक्ट न्यू बैक्टीरिया. Okay, so that is the lytic cycle where there is rupture. Okay, here there is infection and after infection there is rupture. That is all about the we can say virulent phage. Okay, this is virulent phage follows the lytic cycle. What about lysogenic cycle? Lysogenic cycle, it begins from this same step, that is attachment of phage to the bacterial cell. After attachment, there is introduction or entry of phage chromosome. After phage chromosome is entered into the cell, what it will do? This phage DNA, it will integrate, it will inserted into the bacterial chromosome. Okay, it get inserted into the bacterial chromosome and that stage is called as prophage. Okay, उस stage को हम क्या बोलते हैं? That stage is called as the prophage stage. Okay, so what is meant by prophage? When viral particle or when viral DNA, when phage DNA is inserted into the bacterial DNA is called as the prophage. That stage is called as the prophage. Okay, so this prophage is further replicate, it reproduces. Okay, the number replicates, it multiplies, and then it produces the daughter cells. Many cell division produces a colony of bacteria infected with prophage. Okay, so this is the lysogenic cycle where there is formation of this prophage. Okay, means viral DNA is inserted into the bacterial DNA and then it divides, or we can say it replicates or it multiplies. Okay, so your temperate phage, it follows the lysogenic cycle. That is the difference between lytic cycle and lysogenic cycle. Now, what are the types of transduction? There are two types of transduction: specialized transduction, or it is also called as the restricted transduction, and second is generalized transduction. Okay,